had been playing together for a while.
Yeah.
But then we play with Susan and Siún and Gabby at sessions, and there was some really nice stuff coming out.
Yeah.
And we thought it would be good to have extra instruments, and also, you know, Siún and I sing together in sessions, and the harmonies really work and everything. So we thought it would be nice to give it a try.
Yeah. The Luck Penny's an old tradition. Probably farmers, anybody actually years ago, if you bought something off someone like a horse or something like that, or anything,
or a car or a house, more recently, you get a luck penny.
The tradition was that you give them a penny or give them a whatever, some sort of coin in return. It's called the Luck Penny.
If you're a farmer, if you take out, you go to the mart to sell whatever it is you're selling, and if you take out Luck Penny insurance, you pay for that insurance, which means that if something happens to whatever it is that you've sold within the first month or 3 months or whatever, that insurance then covers that animal. So I have, this is going to sound really boring, but I do have farming and insurance connections. So when we were thinking about names, you know, we're thinking about where are you connected, what are you connected to, and the Luck Penny just kind of came, and then we found a tune called the Luck Penny, and so it's not the Lucky Penny, it's the Luck Penny, and it's very much to do with tradition.
I grew up very close by,
Yeah.
so I have connections, you know, with the pub going way back. Maybe not even as a player, but just I would have come here with friends and everything, and then I've started playing more recently.
Yeah. The pub's been connected with traditional music for God knows how long. It's people play, like Sean Maguire used to play in here, like Michael Hatton, a podging maker, and Jim McKillop, people like that. I think Sean McAloon was here, the piper from bhanna. There's lots and lots of people have been through here. Yeah, so it's a long established connection with traditional music in this area. We sort of got together a couple of years ago, and then we stopped for a while, and then we got together again, so we're sort of starting out again in many ways. But we've done a couple of gigs together. Jacqueline and myself have done a few gigs. We played them in Germany and in Milwaukee Irish Fest and a few other places. Wow. But the four of us have done a few gigs recently as well.
And Susan and Gabby play regularly together as well. So
Susan
yeah.
We play together here, of course. And then we played in France in Poitiers earlier this year. We did a concert with some other friends from Randallstown. That was fantastic. The Antrimers.
Poitiers in France.
Yeah, so we did that. But we're looking forward to doing some gigs in the future and doing concerts, weddings, parties, and anything. You know, we're interested in any sort of gig where people appreciate a bit of trad music.